Shall I start the questions,
Yes,
Bhagwan?
yes.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Beloved Father Sri Bhagwan, please share with us about how the oneness phenomenon is unfolding in the present moment and what's going to happen in oneness in the near future, that is in the next few years.
This year in India we have introduced what we call the 64-year process. This would enormously step up the miracles and the transformation. Please translate. We had to do it urgently and we could not find the time to give it to people outside India. Next year we would be introducing it outside India too. The phenomenon would be unfolding with every year and there will be a huge leap in 2018. That would pave the way for the golden age which would come 1000 years later. That would be the real golden age, and when that happens, the whole earth becomes one green village. At that time, we do not see any buildings, any factories, any schools or colleges. In fact, no human activity at all. There are no governments, no nations, no countries, and it's all very, very different. No police, no law courts, nothing. We see unbelievably huge trees and people are living under trees. People, when they want to move around, they just fly. The water is absolutely clean, the atmosphere is very, very clean, and there are wonderful birds and beautiful flowers. Yes, people are just flying around and they do not seem to be eating any food. Whatever they want, they directly get from nature, and they seem to be drinking some kind of honey. People do not have cell phones, but they could talk to anybody on the planet. Technology accelerates very much in the next few centuries and vanishes. There is only the technology of consciousness, and there are no more religions or God. People have become God. This year we are initiating the process, and the culmination would be 1000 years later.